Today's lesson is a little bit of an extension on what we did yesterday and the day before. We are going to have two-step. Okay, sorry about that. So two steps this time. Remember we talked about expressions are like number sentences that have a missing number, and we call that missing number a variable. You can use any letter of the alphabet, whatever works for you. So how do we write and evaluate expressions with variables? Well, we can find the total of something and then use that variable to make a number sentence. So we're going to start with some examples here. How would we write 3 times a number plus 10? 3 times a number plus 10. Brendan, I'm going to ask that you put your iPad away for now, because right now you're not doing anything on them. Nothing at all. Your eyes and ears should be right here. Oh, let's see. Will, help me out. I'm going to use n, if that's okay. That means 3 times a number. That's right. Looks good. Now, could have we done it differently? Aiden, how could have we done it differently? Other than using a different letter of the alphabet. I don't need to hear a different letter of the alphabet. What could we do differently? Aaron? You could have put the 10 first, right? 10 plus 3 times a number. Now remember, we can write 3 times n, but sometimes that's confusing because that x makes us think that it's a letter of the alphabet. How about this one? 4, Aiden, will you please put that away? 4 less than a number times 2. 4 less than a number times 2. Darius? Okay, so why did you start with the number times 2? And then you subtract. It's 4 less than something. So when we say 4 less has to come second. Moving on. Now, not only are you going to write expressions like this today, you're also going to solve them. 8 plus a number times 5. Aaron L. Like that? Okay, looks good. Looks good. Very good. $40 minus 2 times a number. America? Like that. Or it could be 2n. Either way is okay. Good work. So do you see how we're doing two-step problems this year? Okay, so now let's practice solving for those. So now I'm going to have you guys grab your iPad, and I'm going to make some two-step expressions, and you're going to have to solve for them. So for example, today I'm just always going to use the letter n. When you do yours today, you can use any letter you want unless they tell you. So everybody write down 3n minus 7. Use a thicker pen so that I can see. And then up in the corner, I want you to write n equals 8. Okay, so this first one we're going to do together. The very first thing we do is we take this variable and we slide it in place of the n. So now that doesn't mean 38, it means 3 times 8. So what is 3 times 8? Yep, it's 24. So now we have 24 minus 7. Does anybody know that in their head? 17. We always do the part that has the variable in it first. Okay? Next week we're going to talk more about order of operations. Everybody write this one down. I guess I don't need to put the equal sign there. 12 over n plus 10. N is 6. So what's the answer? Some of you can do these in your head, and that's perfectly fine. Cool. Okay, tell me what you did. Uh-huh. No, it's not. 2 plus 10 isn't 22. Oh. What? It's okay. Tell me what the answer is. It's 12. That's right. 2 plus 10 is 12. It's okay. It's okay. All right. Okay, so again, we're just going to do these together in a little bit. Then we'll show. Next one. (20 minus 2n) Okay, Sam, tell me how you did this one. No, but this isn't 28, honey. When we put that 8 in, that doesn't make 28. This means 2 times n. So what is 2 times n? Yeah, there we go. Now, what would our answer be? That's right. Good work. Good work. Okay, now I think it's time to start showing our work. So your password today is sneeze. For some reason, I've been full of the sneezes today. All right, here goes. Just a minute. As soon as I said the word, then I could feel it coming on. Okay, go ahead. Okay, sneeze first. So nobody erase, just show me your board, and then Sarah's going to talk us through this. Nobody erase. Go ahead, Sarah.
What I did is I divided 36 divided by, 36 divided by 6.
Which is?
Which is 6. And then I did 6 plus 11 equals 17.
Good work. Looking good, you guys. Okay, let's try another one. There you go. She's okay now. Who would like to share this one? Talk me through it. Oh, Dathan.
Okay, so the end's 3, and 4 times 3 is 12, and after 0 it's 120, and then minus 10 and it's 110.
There it is. Good work. 40 times 3. How many of you did that in your head? Good. Good work. All right, we're going to do some more. Sorry, I forgot to have you show that one. Kaylin, you doing okay back there? Since you're gone yesterday, you feeling like you understand it? Good. Natasha. She crossed out the n and made it a 2. What is 6 divided by 2? She says it's 3. So 18 minus 3? 15. Good work. Good work. Okay. There's a couple things I want to show you now that are a little bit more challenging. What if we had something like this? Now, I'm not going to ask you to solve this, but sometimes when you have problems that are more than one step like this, you're going to see something that looks like this. Those are called parentheses. What that means is what's inside parentheses you always do first before anything else. So you'll do this, add 3 to it, and then whatever you get, you'll take 6 away. Okay? Now, if this same problem, let's just say I had 8 here, if I put parentheses around this, what would I do first? That. 8 minus 6 is 2. So it's kind of like saying 10n plus 2. Now we're going to talk more about order of operations next week.